My name's Rich McCor, but I call myself Paperboyo on Instagram because I use paper cutouts like these ones within my photos to transform and embellish landmarks around the world. I'd always been interested in paper cutouts and paper craft, so I started using the cutouts within the photos. I just saw loads of possibilities and ideas with it. So there's actually quite a lot of work that goes into it, which I don't think people realise, which is good because it should look quite simple, but the reality is I spent hours doing some research into buildings and architecture and landmark, just anything that catches my eye that I could come up with an idea for. And then I'll spend some time sort of doodling, sketching out some ideas, seeing what might work. And normally some ideas just totally don't work, some ideas do work. So yeah, there's a lot of trial and error. There's a lot of just being an optimist and hoping that some things will work. Sometimes I get an idea straight away. I can look at one building and straight away I'll be like, normally it takes me about 40 minutes to shoot the photo because I want to try it from loads of different vantage points. And normally the cutouts are quite flimsy, so if it's windy, I need to sort of wait for the wind to calm down. So I think it's just something a little bit, I don't know, something eye-catching about it, something a bit different that interests people.